Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new it would mean so much if you guys click the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursdays, but today is going to be a hair video, and that is my favorite DIY hair mask for extreme growth. So if you are looking to grow your hair long and fast, try this mask and keep using it over time and you're going to notice the biggest difference in your hair growth. I am so happy with the results of my hair. My hair has grown so long, the longest it's ever been, and I am definitely someone that naturally my hair would just not grow for so many years. This became even this ongoing joke with my friends and family because my hair would just stay at this mid length. My hair didn't start growing until I started making a DIY hair mask. I will link my hacks playlist down below because there's a ton of tips and tricks and DIYs when it comes to hair in that playlist. This mask only requires 1 to 2 ingredients, and you probably have the ingredients right in your kitchen. Not only did it help with my extreme hair growth, but it also helped with the shininess, the overall texture, and I do struggle with a very dry, itchy scalp, and I do get dandruff, so whenever I see flare-ups coming with my dandruff, I like to use this for that as well. Comment down below what kind of hair you guys have. Do you have long, short, medium? I'm curious to know. So with that being said, let's just jump right into it. The main ingredient you are going to need for this hair mask is an egg. Raw eggs are amazing for hair care and has become a staple in my hair care routine, and the reason why I've been able to grow my hair as long as it is. I'm going to share with you 2 different versions of this DIY hair mask. The first one, you're just going to need an egg, in particular just using the egg yolk and olive oil. All I did is I just removed the egg white and just took the yolk for this version of the hair mask, and then I put about 1 tablespoon of the olive oil into the same bowl, mixed it all together, and this is going to be your DIY hair mask. Of course, it will differ on the amount of olive oil you want to use depending on what your hair length already is. You're going to need less if you have shorter hair. The reason why an egg hair mask is so effective is eggs are a rich source of protein, which really serve as a building block for our hair. The protein-rich egg will really make your hair stronger and more voluminous, and it's really beneficial for those with fine hair or damaged, dry, brittle hair. Eggs are an excellent conditioner. It really helps to deep condition your hair, improving the shine and the softness. If you have dry hair, this will really help. The egg yolks of the egg contain vitamin A, D, E, B12, zinc, and biotin, and this is all really great if you want healthy hair growth. It's been said that the yolk of the egg has been seen as a hair growth peptide, which really stimulates the hair follicles, improving hair growth. So you can either use this hair mask or you can go ahead and do the second version of the hair mask, which only requires the egg with no olive oil. And if you use the entire egg, so both the yolk and the egg white, mix it all together in the bowl. This serves as an even deeper moisturizing treatment. So I will go back and forth between the two, but most of the times I will just go in with just an egg. It's super easy. It's just 1 ingredient, and I noticed such a big difference when applying this treatment to my hair. So whichever version you would prefer to go with, you can definitely try both of them out and see which one you prefer. But once I have my DIY hair mask, I just go ahead and brush out my hair to make sure there are no tangles, and then I just put gloves on to apply this hair mask. Once you apply this, you really want to coat the top of your scalp to the ends of your hair. You want to make sure it's all over, and I also like to give my scalp a little bit of a massage to really stimulate your hair. I let this treatment sit in for about an hour. You should not do this treatment no more than once a week. I typically was doing it once a week, and then I went to about once a month. So you definitely don't have to do it all the time, but it's a really great deep conditioning hair mask. So even if you do it once a month, it's going to make such a big difference. You're going to notice the biggest difference once you apply this mask. Although the consistency is kind of not the greatest, you are applying an egg, it just makes such a big difference once you do the treatment. Once I did have my entire hair coated, I just usually let it sit sit for about an hour, and I will let it sit in a hair cap. So I just went ahead and put my hair into a low bun and put on a shower cap, and to really just let it sulk in. And once I let it sit for about an hour, then I went ahead and just rinsed it out. So something you want to make sure you do when rinsing out the egg mask is you always want to rinse out your hair with cool water. You do not want to rinse out your hair with warm or hot water. This is just going to cook the egg, and you do not want that to happen. So when you are taking the hair mask out, you want to do it with cool water. When taking out the hair mask, I always just go in with my shampoo, and I follow it up, of course, with my conditioner. I will link down below the shampoo and conditioner I use, but you guys probably know by now I just use Matrix Biolage shampoo and conditioner. Those are just my products I typically use when it comes to washing out my hair, and I just find it gets the product out completely. But I always like to just shampoo my hair a couple times just to make sure that you have no leftover of the hair mask. And once it is out completely, I just went ahead and styled it as normal, and my hair just feels and looks amazing every single time I do this treatment. So my hair would not grow, like I said, for so long, and I did not notice a difference in my hair growth until I started using the egg hair mask. It is so simple to do. It is so convenient and so cheap to do this. And like I said, even just doing it once a month, you're going to notice a difference. My hair has grown so many inches and so fast. My hair not only has grown really fast, but it's also become really soft. It helps with frizziness. It also helps with my dandruff. It really conditions my scalp, so it really helps with that problem. And I find the overall smoothness and texture of my hair is just a lot better whenever I do use this treatment. So I totally recommend trying this out if you have really like dry, damaged hair, or you find that your hair is just not growing whatever you do. The benefits are amazing. It just conditions naturally, it replenishes the protein, it tames your frizz, adds luster to your hair, enhances the hair growth, and on top of it, it balances scalp sebum. Every time I use this treatment, it's so easy to just run my fingers through my hair as well. Eggs have become a staple of my hair care, and if you've been watching my hack videos for years now, you know this has genuinely been something I've incorporated into my hair care routine. I continue to use it just because I notice such a big difference every single time I do this treatment. That is the DIY hair mask. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you try it out. Let me know if you do. But like I said, this has been my tried and true hair mask that has really made a difference in my overall hair. I will leave my hacks playlist, like I said, down below if you guys want to see more hair videos. There's so many now, so definitely go check that out. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I would love for you guys to be a part of my YouTube family. I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday, and make sure you guys do turn on the bell to be notified, because YouTube just sometimes doesn't like to notify or unsubscribes people. We already know the deal. But with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!